This is like, look at that. The thing's huge. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Look at how big that thing is. That's freaking massive. What's up? Did you want to do this video? Did you want to do the video? Welcome to another episode of Self-Down Garage. As you saw in the last episode, we did not review. We took this out, we unboxed this. Very exciting, but not as exciting as today's video. Today's video, we finally ripped the Band-Aid off. This thing is ginormous. Hey, by the way, I added this to the last video. I didn't see this one, but I did put it in the description, so you guys know it's there. Okay, so today's video, we are finally getting this monster out of the box. I feel like I should grab my tablet and compare it. It's probably pretty close. Lots of cords, instruction manuals. I'm definitely going to read over that. They have like an absolute plethora of cables. Good grief. I'm being shushed. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? I think that thing is bigger than my tablet. Oh, my Atlanta. Honey, do you have those safety gloves so I don't cut myself like last video? My boss says I'm not allowed to keep hurting myself. He says if I keep doing this, I'm going to get on desk duty. And don't you know that I could still hurt myself at a desk? Paper cut's a real thing, people. I'll go to the hospital. What happened? Oh, that paper attacked me. I'll have to do a incident form for that. I was bullied and harassed by the paper. So when I said that this is a singled unit going into the stereo, so when we took that, we took a look at the dash kit. It's only a singled in unit. It's not very big, so that's why we'll put that tray in below. However, the funny part about this is the absolute monster size of this stinking screen. Good grief. Honey, I think this thing is as big as the one in the Ford. Okay guys, so we're in the Explorer. You can see we're gonna put these screens up to each other. They look about the same, right? You can see how large the screen is just by running the Ford Performance logo in here. Now, this is where it's gonna blow your mind. Like this is this is next level right here. This is like, look at that. The thing's huge. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Look at how big that thing is. That's freaking massive. So the width is roughly a little bit wider than the Ford one is. But I mean, like, look how wide that is. That's crazy. And like, this is supposed to be 12 inches. I do not believe so. Maybe from here to there, 12 inches, but this screen from this point to this point is 11 inches. From here to here is like 13 inches. Across here is this measurement, and then from down here to up here is this measurement. So now you know exactly the full dimensions of this Alpine unit. It is stinking massive. I absolutely cannot wait to put this into our new home on the G35. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Feel free to comment to let us know how we did. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're staying warm. I hope you're staying safe. And we'll see you next week on Southdown Garage, where we have no idea what we're doing next week. Hopefully the G35's running, because that car is driving me nuts.